Hey, you guys, we had to come back to Phoenix for just a bit, and we are gonna knock out some Phoenix weird, quirky, historic, interesting stuff. Right now, we're headed up South Mountain. Okay, guys, we're at the top of South Mountain. Check it out. Look at the rain over here. It's right over there. A little chilly and windy up here in Phoenix today. Not our typical sunshiny, perfect weather. Some rain over here. What's that?
Thunder or plane.
I think that's a plane. Let's come see this thing.
I felt a little bit drops.
Did you?
Yeah. My hand's wet.
Yeah, when we started out today, we didn't plan on coming up here, so we're kind of a little bit underdressed. But this is Dobbins Lookout, and it is 2,330 feet. Seems higher than that. And I forget what the elevation of Phoenix is. I think like 800 or something like that. So there's Camelback Mountain for those of you familiar with Phoenix. It's right, it's getting rained on right now, or at least the rain's between us and Camelback. There's downtown. Yeah, let's go. GoPro, you probably can't see it. I need to get a zoom camera for stuff like this. Check out this little building here. Wow.
So either we're gonna go
Big raindrop. Trail down there.
I think we're going in.
Oh yeah, we got hail.
I know it felt like hail.
We're getting hail here.
Yeah.
Little tiny pea-sized hail. Look at the hail. This was unexpected.
And it was just a very light layer that just came down and melted. But I didn't smell nearly so
It smells so good and fresh.
I know it does, doesn't it? Nice.
The ground's turning white out there. It's cold. There's a bear up there. Okay, we escaped to the warmth of bear here.
Oh yeah, I've learned. Make sure I always have a jacket with me.
Yeah.
Well, let's see what else we can find.
Okay, stay tuned. Okay, we've come across something pretty interesting here. Some mural, not graffiti, murals, street art. They have a mural festival every year, and I believe it's this month. But so we're just going to come down See some of this art here now.
Walk me in the morning sun. Tell me I'm a lucky one. I'm riding on the wave of a notion that I could be brave. Is there anything good on the radio? Turn it up loud and let me know how it used to be before anyone heard of you and me. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Running out of town just to celebrate. The fortune's here to stay. A one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine. In the shade of a tree and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast. One breath away. Step up and say, hold on to what is real. The love you feel is like water in a glass. Don't try to separate the ones you hate from the ones that you don't know. 'Cause there's a part of you that never could let go. I'm chasing shadows around the place. It shouldn't take long now in any case. As long as there is light, pretending I could stay the night. One breath away. Step up and say, hold on to what is real. The love you feel is like water in a glass. Don't try to separate the ones you hate from the ones that you don't know.
Well, that was pretty cool. There's a lot of talented artists there. You know, some not quite so talented, but I suppose they're just getting started.
Yeah, it was pretty cool to see some of the creativity and the ideas that they came up with.
Yeah, some of them you wonder what there was a reason behind what they.
Yeah, they had a reason.
Yeah, which
We'll never know.
sometimes I couldn't figure it out. Some you know, a lot I could, but yeah, that was good. That was different.
And then South Mountain watching the storm move in.
Yeah,
That was pretty cool. That was awesome watching that come across the valley.
Some neighbors walking by kind of distracts us, but yeah, oh my gosh, we weren't expecting that. Go up there and it hails. You know, it was just a little tiny hail, but
There was a lot of it.
that doesn't happen often in Phoenix. But yeah, we're back in Phoenix briefly, hopefully. Should be. But while we're here, we're going to knock out a bunch of stuff that we didn't get last time when I was doing that real estate deal. So yeah, look for some interesting, weird, quirky stuff here in Phoenix. And then in the next video in a few days, we acquired a couple of things here that are going to be a lot of fun, and we're going to use the heck out of them. We'll let you look forward to the next video. But anyway, we're gonna wrap it up here. We love you guys. Please hit that notification bell. Share this with like-minded people, and we love you, appreciate you. We'll see you in a few days with a little surprise.
Come along with us.
Bye-bye.
Bye.